Hi guys, welcome back to Anyone Can Cook. I'm Jamie and today we're gonna be making potato salad. Since the holidays are around the corner, I'm gonna give you some ideas in the following weeks for side dishes, salads, desserts, so let's get started. The ingredients necessary for this recipe are about 6 to 7 small potatoes. They can be red potatoes, a stalk of celery, a medium carrot, a couple of cloves of garlic, a handful of parsley, a large scallion. If you are vegetarian, just skip the sausage. Also, you need a quarter cup of mayo or Greek yogurt, a half a cup of sour cream with paprika, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and also some extra spices to add flavor to the potatoes while they're boiling. The equipment necessary for this recipe is a mixing bowl, a strainer, a medium pan, a couple of knives, and a cutting board. All right, guys, we're gonna start by boiling some water. We wanna fill the pot about halfway through. So let's get the water going. To add extra flavor to the potatoes, we're gonna add some spices. So salt, pepper, paprika, if you want a little bit of garlic powder. Also, we're gonna use half of the scallion. Just slice it in half. Half again. Add it to the water. We're gonna add garlic too. You just need to peel it. Then also slice them in half. Then add it to the water. We are going to add the celery as well. So all of the leaves are flavor. We can cut this in half. You can get rid of the bottom of the root. Celery and carrots we're gonna use to add to the salad, but we're gonna let them boil a little bit with the potatoes, so they're gonna add flavor as well. And then we're gonna let them boil until they're tender. It's pretty much like making a fresh vegetable stock to boil the potatoes. Then while we get the water to boil, then we can go ahead and peel the potatoes. It's nice if you have a vegetable peeler, otherwise use a small sharp knife and just go around. Try to remove just the skin without taking too much of the potato. We're gonna let the carrots and celery boil for about 10 minutes. Then if you want to do a vegetarian, skip the next part. I'm gonna add the sausage so it boils on that same water. Then we can dice the potatoes, so cut in half, another half. You want to try to have roughly the same size. Not too big, not too small. Hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Go down below in the description and hit the thumbs up button. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the carrots and the celery out of the water. Also the sausage. The sausage was in the water for about 5 minutes only. All right, that seems to be all the carrots and celery. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the potatoes. And we're gonna let them boil for about 15 minutes or until they're tender. In the meantime, we can mince the parsley. We're gonna use this for garnish. and also to add some extra flavor. So you want it very small. I love the smell of fresh parsley. If you have seen my videos before, you know I love herbs. They always give a nice touch to anything you make. We also need some scallions for garnish. So first, slice it in half, then cut very thin slices, as thin as you can. If you slice it very thin, then the flavor is not going to be overwhelming. Now we can dice the celery and the carrots. So you want small dice. They're just tender, so they're perfect. They are going to give a nice bite to the salad. Same for the carrots, small dice. So fairly the same size. We can also dice the sausage. Alright guys, it's been 15 minutes. So you can go ahead and grab a piece of potato. Try to cut it in half. If the potato is tender, then it's ready. So we can go ahead and take them out of the water. You can do this part however you like, however is easier. I like to use a strainer. You don't have to get rid of this. This vegetable broth, you can use it for soup or to cook other vegetables. And finally, we're gonna combine all the ingredients. It's better if you let the potatoes to cool down. Once they're cold, then you can add the rest. We're gonna pretty much add everything. Add half of the parsley and half of the onions. The other half we're gonna use for garnish. Add the sour cream with spices. You can find the list of spices down below in the description. Combine everything. Then taste it, because that way you know if you need more salt or pepper. It's perfect. And you know my favorite part is plating. So you can do a bowl, family style. Then finish it up with some parsley. And fresh scallions. And there you have it, guys. Fresh, creamy, and delicious potato salad. And you know I can't let you go without tasting, so let me have a bite of this. So creamy. I like how the carrots and the celery give a nice bite to the salad. And that fresh flavor of the parsley and the onions. It's really good, guys. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next week.